Hi, superstars! It's another palm oil week, and this week I am so excited. I come bearing great news this week. Okay, I'm more relaxed, as in, I was sort of worried about a lot, but I can tell you, my superstars, that there's great news for those who are going into palm oil storage business and palm oil business in Nigeria. All right, I'm beginning to see light at the end of the tunnel. Or should I say at the beginning of the tunnel? Okay, things are gradually taking shape. You know, we had lots and lots of fears. All right, so much. We had a lot to worry about. But my superstars, calm down, okay? All right, so in this video, I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be telling you the current price of jerry cans, okay, the price of palm oil, okay, and I'll be telling you latest trends, what's going on in palm oil business as at today. So my superstars, don't go away. Stay with me because this video is loaded. All right. Okay, so in the meantime, before we get started, please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's continue. Okay, so even in our even in our last video, I was really apprehensive. I was worried about the price of palm oil because palm oil was still in the 40s. Okay, but as at this week, the price of palm oil has gradually reduced from 50s, 40s. Okay, and it's going down. Well, let's start with the price of jerrycan. The price of jerrycan as at today remains at 5,500 naira, while some people are still selling 6,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Oyo. Okay, so whatever details I give you in this video is unique to Akwa Ibom State, Oyo. I don't know about other places. Okay, please feel free to write it in the comment section so we can know the price of jerrycans in your location. Please write it in the comment section so we can learn as well. All right, so that's the price of jerrycan. Before we continue, lots of questions like, ID, how do I know a good palm oil? Where do I get a good palm oil for storage? All right, so this question is really necessary and really important because in palm oil storage business and palm oil business, you need a good oil. The key to making money from palm oil business is storing a good palm oil, a palm oil of good quality, excellent taste, all right, a palm oil, a grade 1 palm oil. If you store a good palm oil, you can be able to store it throughout storage and then sell it at maximum profits. Okay, but if you store a bad palm oil, that is the beginning of failure in palm oil storage business because it has a very foul odor, a terrible odor. It does not hide. Once you open a bad palm oil, everyone in that environment will know that there's something wrong with that oil. Okay, people will be like, what is smelling? What is rotten? What is bad? It has a very foul odor, terrible pungent, like spoiled egg, okay, like rotten, something rotten. That's how bad it is. Okay, so if you store a bad palm oil, you end up selling at a loss. Okay, because there are actually people who know how to salvage oils like that. They know what to do to it and all, but by the time they're done with it, it reduces in quantity. Okay, so you realize that you end up selling at a loss to these people because by the time they are done with it, to reduce in quantity, so they'll want it at the least possible amount so they can also make money. All right, so buying a bad palm oil is the worst thing that can happen to you in palm oil business. You need to know a good palm oil, all right, a palm oil that is of good quality. I have done a video on how to know a good palm oil, the test you can run on it to know a good palm oil. Please go and check it out. The video is how to know a good palm oil and an adulterated palm oil. All right, I did showed you step by step how to know it. Please go and check it out. if you are going into palm oil business. All right, and if you're still worried that you'll get a bad palm oil, you can always reach out to me and I'll help you get a good one and send it to you in your location. Okay, my superstars. All right, so knowing a good palm oil and having a good palm oil to store, that is grade 1 palm oil, is the key to succeeding in palm oil business. By the time you are selling, you'll be selling with your shoulder pad. Okay, you'll carry your shoulder like this to sell palm oil. Not the case where you have to beg people, please just give me this, please now, please. No, you won't beg, you will sell with your head up. Okay, because the quality of the palm oil will be retained. It will taste like the original, as if it is newly milled. Okay, the quality will be excellent. All right, my superstars. Okay, so in the meantime, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, let's continue. Gradually, my superstars, a lot has been happening. Okay, palm oil has reduced. So many people were worried. I even made a video where I said someone speculated that palm oil could be stored at 30,000 naira, but from what I see right now, it could reduce to the 20s. Okay, there is hope. There is actually hope, and I'm hoping that it will keep going down till it goes to the 20s. All right, so people are waiting, lots of people are watching, including myself. I am not losing sight at all. Okay, but you know the thing about palm oil is that the price fluctuates. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. So it has gone down, and I trust that it will keep going down. And even if it goes up, it will only go up at about say 2003 and then drop again. So let's keep hope alive. Meanwhile, I've been seeing lots of questions, and in our last video, I answered those questions. So if you have any question regarding palm oil, just leave it in the comment section. Okay, all right, and let's play a game in this video. How much do you think palm oil will be stored in this year? Okay, write it in the comment section. At how much would you be buying palm oil to store? What price is it that when you hear, you'll say, it is time, you will rush, go and start buying your palm oil? Write it in the comment section. Let's see how much you would buy palm oil to store this year. Write it in the comment section so that when we get to your price, I will call you out and tell you it is time. Oh, it is time. Oh, we have reached your price. Oh, go and buy and store. Okay. All right. So the price of palm oil, freshly milled palm oil, as at today in Akwa Ibom State, is 38,000 naira. Okay, for freshly milled palm oil. So it is no longer in the 40s, it is now in the 30s. Oh my God. So the price today is 38,000 naira, oil only. Jerrycans is 5,500, and logistics depends on your location. Your location matters. The different locations have different prices, okay, and different modes of transportation also have different prices. Okay, my superstars, if you have any question, please feel free, leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, my superstars, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you, and I'll keep bringing updates like this from time to time so you'll know what to do, what steps to take, if you should go ahead and buy. All right, the essence of bringing these updates is to keep you in track so you can know the price and prepare your mind and know when to swing into action. So my superstars, don't miss any update, because I can come up with any video and any time to tell you what's happening, if you should get started or if it's time. So once you see an update on palm oil storage business, please ensure you like, and don't forget you watch, and don't forget to like, okay, as this will encourage me to know you love it and make more contents like this. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.